Let's see one problem which can be solved by using chi-square test. The question is, a random sample of employees of a large company was selected and the employees were asked to complete a questionnaire. One question asked was whether the employee was in favor of the introduction of flexible working hours. The following table classifies the employees by their response and by their area of work. So we need to test whether there is an evidence of a significant association between the response and the area of work. So these are the given details out of production unit and non-production unit. Given the values for the responses in favor and not in favor. So to apply chi-square test, first we write the null and alternative hypothesis. So we can decide H0. There is no evidence of a significant association between the response and the area of work. And H1 is there is an evidence of a significant association between the response and the area of work. Now to apply chi-square test, we need to find the expected frequency. We know the formula is for expected frequency is row total into column total divided by grand total. These are the given observed frequencies. Now the calculation, we can do the calculation like this. Expected frequency for the value 129 is that corresponding row total into column total by grand total. So we obtain expected frequency for the value 129 is 120. Similarly, we can find the expected frequencies for the other values 171, 31 and for 69, which we can obtain by 180, 40 and 60 respectively. So we can form the table which is showing the expected frequencies. Now we can do the calculation. Form the table which we can write first observed values and the expected values. Find the difference OI minus EI. Then find the square and find OI minus EI the whole square divided by EI. For each of the values, we will find this OI minus EI the whole square by EI. So after this calculation, finally we get the total, that is summation OI minus EI the whole square by EI is equal to 4.5. We all know which is the chi-square test statistic. So the test statistics chi-square is equal to 4.5. Here it is a 2 by 2 table. So we know the number of degrees of freedom equal to 1. Now the table value for chi-square for 1 degrees of freedom at 5% level equal to 3.81. So the conclusion is, since calculated value is greater than the table value, H0 is rejected. Hence, there is an evidence for a significant association between response and the area of work. Thank you.